Why? I don't know. Nigga. Somebody tell Chef D to knock that shit the fuck off, nigga. Get rid of these niggas. What's going on? Why you block a nigga after I caught your ass in a lie, nigga?